Hi, Taylor. What are you doing? Hi, Taylor. Hi. Oh, that was a cute noise. Say hi, Mommy. Did you have a good day today? At Grandma's house? Did you have a good day today? Did you play with Grandma? Say, I had a fun day with Grandma. I had a super fun day with Grandma. Tell her. Yeah. You tell Grandma? Say, I love you, Grandma. Can you tell her? I love you, Grandma. Oh, yeah. That was a good way to tell her. Can you say it again? Say, I really love you, Grandma. Yeah. Say, I had so much fun. Yeah, it was fun over there. Grandma warms your bottles up so nicely. Yeah. Say, okay, Grandma, I'm going to go now. We're going to go read stories. Say bye-bye.